You are lying in bed. Suddenly, your brain plays a clip from 10 years ago. That moment you said the wrong name, tripped on stage, or waved back at someone who was not waving at you. Meanwhile, you cannot remember what you ate for lunch yesterday. Your brain keeps a highlight reel of your worst moments on purpose. Let us start with the obvious question. Why does your brain do this? It feels cruel. It feels useless. But the truth is, your brain is not trying to hurt you. It is trying to protect you, using a system that worked beautifully 50,000 years ago and works strangely now. Meet the main character in this story, the amygdala. It is a small almond-shaped region deep in your brain. Its job is simple. Scan everything that happens, flag anything dangerous, save it forever. The amygdala does not care if the danger is a tiger or a bad joke at a wedding. Here is how memory normally works. Something happens. Your brain decides if it matters. If it does not matter, the memory fades within hours or days. This is why yesterday's lunch is already gone. It was fine. It was forgettable. Your brain saw no reason to keep it. But embarrassment is different. Embarrassment is loud. Your heart races, your face burns, your stomach drops, your body floods with stress chemicals, and the amygdala notices all of it. It thinks, this hurts, this is important, mark this one, save it. The chemical that does the marking has a name, cortisol. It is your stress hormone. When cortisol floods your brain, it acts like a highlighter on the memory. It tells the hippocampus, the brain's filing system, store this in deep storage. Make it easy to find later. So the recipe for a permanent memory is this: strong emotion plus stress chemicals plus social pain. Embarrassment hits all three. That is why you can replay your worst moment in perfect detail, but you cannot remember the meeting you had this morning. Now here is the part that feels unfair. Your brain treats social embarrassment the same way it treats physical danger. To your amygdala, being laughed at and being chased by a predator look almost identical. Same alarm, same chemicals, same permanent file. Why would evolution build a brain like this? Because for most of human history, being rejected by your tribe was a death sentence. If the group left you behind, you would not survive the winter. So your brain learned to treat social mistakes as life-threatening. Remember them. Never repeat them. The system worked. Our ancestors who remembered every social mistake were careful. They stayed in the tribe. They survived. They passed on their genes. You are the descendant of people whose brains never let embarrassment go. You inherited the highlight reel. But here is the modern problem. You are not in a tribe of 40 people. You live in a world of 8 billion strangers. Most of the people who saw you trip on stage will never see you again. Your brain does not know that. It still treats every stranger like a tribe member. There is another piece to this puzzle, the spotlight effect. We believe other people noticed our mistake far more than they actually did. Studies show that observers remember only a small fraction of the embarrassing things we replay in our heads. Yesterday's lunch fades because nothing flagged it. No racing heart, no burning face, no stress chemicals. The hippocampus filed it in short-term storage, then quietly threw it out. Your brain is constantly deleting boring data to save space for the loud, painful, important stuff. Sleep also plays a role. While you sleep, your brain replays the day. It decides what to keep and what to discard. Emotional memories get rehearsed and strengthened. Neutral memories often dissolve. So the embarrassing moment from your 10th birthday got rehearsed thousands of times in your sleep.